Crypto just survived its largest liquidation apocalypse in history. $20 billion dollars wiped out in 24 hours as Bitcoin crashed to 105K before finding crucial support above $110,000. But while most assets are still bleeding, Zcash has somehow surged 119%, and extreme negative funding rates suggest the perfect setup for an explosive short squeeze. Today on Crypto Pulse, we're analyzing the aftermath of crypto's most expensive lesson ever. What's up, everyone? Alex here from Moonward Capital with your 6-minute Crypto Pulse update. If you're just waking up, you missed absolute chaos. The largest liquidation cascade in crypto history just reset the entire market. Let's break down exactly what happened and what it means for your portfolio right now. The numbers are staggering. $20 billion in liquidations, exceeding COVID, Luna, and FTX crashes combined. Bitcoin plummeted to 105K before bouncing back to hold the crucial 110K psychological level, while 1.66 million traders got completely wiped out. But here's what's fascinating. This wasn't just a crash. It was the ultimate stress test for crypto infrastructure. While centralized platforms struggled with outages, DeFi protocols like AAVE processed $180 million in liquidations flawlessly. Hyperliquid's engine sustained 200,000 plus orders per second without a single hiccup. Fear and greed has cooled to 52.68, showing we've shifted from extreme greed to neutral sentiment in just 24 hours. But this reset is creating some incredible asymmetric opportunities if you know where to look. One of the most important signals right now is extreme negative funding rates across major assets. Solana's funding rate has crashed to an incredible 10.16%, while Ethereum's sits at 0.35%. For those unfamiliar, this means shorts are literally paying massive premiums daily just to maintain their bearish positions. When funding rates get this negative, it creates the perfect conditions for an explosive short squeeze if any buying pressure returns. We've seen this pattern before. Extreme negative funding rarely lasts more than 48 to 72 hours before triggering violent upside moves as shorts are forced to cover. With SOL shorts paying over 10% daily, this powder keg is just waiting for a spark. While most assets are still recovering, we're seeing fascinating sector rotation play out. Layer 1 blockchains have captured 17.3% mindshare as capital flees to foundational infrastructure. But the real surprise? Privacy coins. Zcash has somehow surged 119.21% to $272 amid the chaos, with the grayscale Zcash trust hitting a 340% premium. This proves that even during market-wide liquidations, quality narratives with institutional backing can not just survive but thrive. Meanwhile, memcoins were absolutely obliterated, down 31.51% as speculation gets hammered, while utility and infrastructure show resilience. The key question now is, are we witnessing the ultimate leverage reset that creates perfect conditions for the next parabolic move? History suggests these massive liquidation events clear out excessive leverage and create healthier market structures for sustainable rallies. 3 critical levels to watch. 1. Bitcoin's ability to maintain 110K support. 2. Funding rate normalization timeline as shorts face increasing costs. 3. Infrastructure strength as protocols complete stress test recovery. Smart money is positioning for a convergence where Bitcoin's 110K support defense meets potential short squeeze dynamics in infrastructure validation. The market is rewarding proven utility over speculation. This historic $20 billion liquidation has taught crypto's harshest but most valuable lesson about leverage risks, while simultaneously validating the infrastructure that actually works under maximum stress. As we move into the weekend, watch for potential explosive moves as shorts facing these extreme negative funding rates may be forced to cover, particularly if weekend momentum patterns play out as they historically have with 2x higher altcoin returns. That's your Crypto Pulse for today, October 12th, 2025. I'm Alex from Moonward Capital. If you found this analysis valuable, hit subscribe for updates every 12 hours as this situation develops. The post-apocalypse recovery is just beginning, and the moves we make now could define portfolios for months to come.